At this hour, Olmsted County health officials are confirming that there are still hospital beds available here for people suffering from COVID-19.
But they say that it depends on if we follow the governor's new restrictions that are expected to kick in tonight, whether or not those rooms will stay available. Health and community leaders say that they're united in fighting the virus.
ABC 6 News reporter Jacqueline Harold is live in downtown Rochester tonight near Mayo Clinic, where she was at today's community briefing. Jacqueline?
You know, Lauren, Ross, we are constantly hearing, like you said, about updates regarding numbers and the rapid spread of COVID-19. But earlier today, to add on to that, officials talked about the new restrictions that are going in place tonight. And so they were telling me that, you know, it's essentially divided the state because some people don't believe that COVID-19 is that big of a deal, while others say that they can see the impact that this virus is really having on the community. Local leaders here in Rochester say fight through the fatigue because that's truly the only way that we're going to get through this together. This isn't a conversation you haven't heard before.
It's causing strain to our community well beyond the health department.
But with the Midwest case numbers still surging and record-breaking numbers of cases and deaths in Minnesota, officials say a reminder is necessary.
And we do need to send a united message.
The briefing by Rochester City and health leaders highlighted hospital bed capacity, with both OMC and Mayo Clinic saying beds are available. But there is a need for healthy healthcare workers, and they talked about how the community plays a role in keeping them that way.
We often refer to them as frontline staff. What I'd like to say, though, today is they're actually our last line of defense, and it's our community that can help protect them.
A few things that are new since transitioning to indoor testing, OMC is seeing an increase in testing demand.
So averaging around 300.
Which is about 100 more people per day than the testing location handled about a week ago. Officials say this surge is a result of things people did in the community weeks ago, finally catching up with us.
If we take action today, the results will only appear 2 or 3 weeks from now.
What will your actions say? Once again, these are all things that we've heard before, but it was just really stressed today that if people follow all of the safety precautions that are being put in place, we could, with time, start to see those numbers decrease. Live in Rochester, Jacqueline Harold, ABC 6 News.